Okay, y'all, so what I'm calling this dish is the Chipotle Bowl Nachos. Does that make sense? Because I got everything going in the bowl except the rice. And you could put the rice, but I don't want to do that. There's a lot going on here tonight. I got the air fryer on. I have I'm washing and drying clothes, but I work during the week, so hey. I just wanted to do something different. I started not to come on. I said, hey, somebody might be looking for an idea of something to cook, you know? This may help somebody. All right. So let me dry my hands. So right here we have black beans, we have corn, we have guacamole. I don't have this on the stove, but this is some pico I made. And it's just tomatoes, cilantro, lime juice, and a little salt, and red onion. Is this hot? No, we can put that there maybe for a minute. And here is my thighs. So what we're going to do first, these came from Sam's in that big bag, remember? And I always heat up my chips. So we put the chips on there first. And then... Manny, do you want your cheese on top of your chips, or you want your cheese on top of the other stuff? How you want it? You want the cheese on the chips? So you want the cheese on the chips. And then we're going to get some of this fabulous meat. Oh my goodness. I found me a new favorite seasoning. It's not that salty either. So these are chicken thighs. I'm going to take and just put some of that on top. And I hope y'all can see. Some chicken thighs on top. And then I'm going to put him some of the black beans. Some of the corn. We don't have much corn, but we don't need very much. Oh, look at that. I messed up. Get that out of there. Come on. Okay. And so now I'm going to put him some guac. And remember, if y'all watch my video from Kroger, there was a package you add to the avocados, and that's all I did. I didn't make it from scratch. But Ty had a recipe I want to try it. Simply Ty, I think is the name of his channel. Okay. That's what it looked like. Then I'll put my son some pico because he liked it. It really does amp it up for me indeed. And I think he wants some salsa. I'm sorry. Yeah. And some salt. I got sour cream out over here, but I just don't have enough room to put it, y'all. I'm sorry, I can't show y'all everything. I am ill prepared, but I wasn't going to do this. I said, let me go ahead and do it. Okay. There's some sour cream. And then I think he wants salsa. So I'm going to get him some salsa. Now I'll show you what this looks like in just a minute. And y'all, I don't know if y'all remember, I had gotten the salsa from Kroger when they had it 99 cents. I bought 5 of them. That's just how I shop, and it comes in handy right now, doesn't it? And this is what it looks like, y'all. I'm sorry I'm all over the place. But it's a Chipotle Bowl nacho plate. All right, y'all. Be blessed. Have a good night. Bye-bye.